Linux is a free, open-source operating system that has gained popularity over the years for its flexibility and security. It can be used on a wide range of devices, including desktop computers, servers, and even smartphones. One of the main advantages of Linux is its security. Because it is open source, the code is available for anyone to review and contribute to. This means that vulnerabilities can be quickly identified and fixed, making Linux a secure choice for businesses and individuals alike. Another benefit of Linux is its cost. Since it is free and open source, you don't have to pay for a license or subscription. If you're new to Linux, don't worry. There is a large and active community of users and developers who are happy to help new users get started. There are also plenty of resources available online, including tutorials and documentation, to help you learn the basics. Give Linux a try. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.